In the 21st century, the robot will take the place which slave labor occupied in ancient civilization. Every living being is an engine geared to the wheelwork of the universe, though seemingly affected only by its immediate surrounding. The sphere of external influence extends to infinite distance. In the year 2100, we will see eugenics universally established. In past ages, the law governing the survival of the fittest roughly weeded out the less desirable strands. Then man's new sense of pity began to interfere with the ruthless workings of nature. As a result, we continue to keep alive and to breed the unfit. It seems that I have always been ahead of my time. I had to wait 19 years before Niagara was harnessed by my system. 15 years before the basic inventions for wireless, which I gave to the world in 1893, were applied universally. The feeling is constantly growing on me that I had been the first to hear the greeting of one planet to another. We have soon to have everywhere smoke annihilators, dust absorbers, ozonizers, sterilizers of water, air, food and clothing, and accident preventers on streets, elevated roads, and in subways. It will become next to impossible to contract disease germs or get hurt in the city, and country folk will go to town to rest and get well. The secretary of hygiene or physical culture will be far more important in the cabinet of the President of the United States, who holds office in the year 2035, than the Secretary of War. The newspapers of the 21st century will give a mere stick in the back pages to accounts of crime or political controversies, but will headline on the front pages the proclamation of a new scientific hypothesis. I have already demonstrated by crucial tests the practicability of signaling by my system from one to any other point of the globe, no matter how remote, and I shall soon convert the distant believers.